Hello, my friend. Despite the sudden heavy snowfall in Calgary at the end of March, with Easter just around the corner, it didn't dampen my spirits to decorate for the springtime. In this video, I will demonstrate 5 creative ways to fold toilet paper to enhance your bathroom decor. Number 1. Triangle fold. Even the folding of toilet paper into patterns may raise questions about the effort involved. Truth be told, I only indulge in toilet paper origami on special holidays or when hosting guests. Number 2. Rose fold. These seemingly insignificant details in life allow me to appreciate life's beauty. I believe each moment of attentiveness becomes a small beacon that transforms ordinary days into something extraordinary. Number 3. Heart fold. The majority of one's life may seem mundane and unremarkable, but incorporating rituals can infuse ordinary moments with anticipation and significance. Cultivating a life rich in ritual involves being mindful of ourselves and our experiences, actively embracing the beauty inherent in everyday life. Number 4. Diamond fold. By incorporating rituals into our lives, we create moments of mindfulness and intentionality, allowing us to savor and appreciate even the simplest of activities. These rituals provide structure and stability, offering a sense of comfort and reassurance in an otherwise fast-paced world. Number 5. Pleated fold. Engaging in activities such as crafting, cleaning, even something as simple as toilet paper folding, allows me to immerse myself in the present moment. This focused attention serves as an anchor, grounding me in the here and now and enabling a deeper connection to my values and beliefs. As a result, I am able to uncover beauty, significance, and fulfillment in the seemingly mundane aspects of daily life. I hope you enjoyed this video, my friend. Don't forget to give them a try and add a special touch to your home or event. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun and unique DIY ideas. Thanks for watching and see you next time.